Hi, it's Credence, and today I'm gonna be doing a makeup tutorial. My face is like super dry. That's because I just finished washing it and I didn't apply anything after because I wanted to do that on camera so that you guys see a little bit of what I do for my skincare. This is a toner that I bought from Walmart a while ago. So we're just gonna sit here in silence while we wait for my face to dry. Now that the toner is kind of dry, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna apply my moisturizer, which I use this one also from Walmart. And I don't have like a specific amount I do, but today I'm gonna be doing like 2 fingers, which I think is gonna fit my whole face. When it comes to makeup, it's more about the technique than it is about the product. You guys should be able to replicate the look with techniques that I use. We're gonna start off with this. I don't even know how to pronounce that. So I'm just gonna hold it up here. But this is the foundation I'm gonna be using. What I like to do is I just apply some on my forehead, on my jawline, and that's it. After, I just go ahead. I'm gonna be using this Rimmel London Multitasker. It works as a concealer. It also works as a foundation. It works as a lot of different things. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that underneath my eyes. And then I apply some right in the corners of my nose. Also on the upper area of my lip, and then I apply some at the center of my forehead because those are the parts of my face that I want to highlight. After applying the concealer and the foundation to my face, I just let it sit for a little bit before blending it in with a brush. Fun fact, all the products I buy are actually so old. I haven't used them in such a long time, and I also feel like you never run out of makeup products, or maybe that's just me. But I've had all of these products for at least a year, and I haven't died from any type of poisoning. So I'm just gonna keep using them and hope that I don't die from using expired products. Honestly, I don't even know if makeup products expire. They probably do, but I'm alive, so that's all that matters. I don't have a specific amount of time that I wait for the makeup to set on my face and marinate. But right now I feel like it's time to proceed with the makeup. So I just use this spray, this mist. It's like a setting spray, but it's also a bunch of different things in one also. I just set my mirror right here, so I'm gonna be looking at myself over here. Do not be alarmed. So I just like to go ahead and blend from the outside going in. I don't even tap into it. It's almost like I'm just doing circular round motions to just blend it in as smoothly as possible. It's like painting my face right now. If my skin was perfect, this is what it would look like. I still use lipstick as my blush. I just like to apply a little bit right here, in between the lighter shade and the darker shade. I do the same thing on the other side. You just tap that in. Perfect. For my eyebrows, I just like to comb them or brush them up. Honestly, sometimes I skip that step because I don't really do anything to my eyebrows. Right after that, I go in with the highlighter and I just go ahead and I apply it. I've been using this highlighter for years and it still is so full. It's probably gonna last longer than I will exist. But I still do the exclamation mark thing and then just blend it with a finger or something. And then I go ahead and I apply a bit in the corners of my eye. This is pretty good. I'm already liking this. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with this Fit Me powder in the shade 30 medium deep. I'm gonna be applying this powder to my face using this, and it's actually my first time using these because I used to use brushes, but I saw a lot of people using these and they just look so much more smoother. It blends so much more better from what I've seen. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try that for myself and hope that it looks like them, or it might actually be the worst decision of my life, but I trust myself. I could fix it. If it becomes messed up, I could fix it. I love having a matte finish to my makeup, especially like underneath the eyes, because it just looks so good. So maybe I'm doing something wrong, but I'm struggling to blend it. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use the brush to blend it, which is what I'm used to doing. So oh my god, I hate it. Why does it look so bad? I don't like what it looks like right now, so I'm just gonna keep blending and hope that it looks better. Something else I like to do is like I just like bring in the powder a little bit up above my like under eye, because I want it to blend with my forehead and I don't want it to have like a very obvious line between like my under eye and my forehead. So I just like blend like the corners, like just right here. I want my under eye to be brighter than my forehead, so I don't go all the way up. And then with like the remaining powder, with whatever's left on this, I just like go ahead and I tap like my forehead, and then I also go ahead and like tap my under lip or my chin, and I just like keep blending. Is this tea or is it not tea? It seems like this is as good as it's gonna get. I'm just gonna let it marinate in my face, and I think that should do the trick. For now, I'm just gonna go ahead and proceed and do what I do to my eyes. All right, so for my eyes, I just use mascara and eyeliner. I no longer put on falsies because they're a lot of work. Like, it's a lot of work to do like falsies on a day-to-day basis, and I don't get my lashes done, so I'm not gonna go ahead and show that part. I'm just gonna go ahead and show like my eyeliner that I apply and my mascara. So I just like to like apply just like a little bit, like right here, and on the other side I do the same thing. Then I add mascara just like that, and then I'm gonna be going ahead and I'm gonna be doing my lip combo. All I use is like a brown lip liner and lip gloss. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna apply this gloss to my lips. All right, so this is the final look. This is what I look like, and I think this is like a really good day-to-day makeup because I didn't do too much, but I also didn't do too little. You want to look cute, but you don't want to overdo it, and it's also very simple to do. So this on a regular basis would take me approximately less than 20 minutes, so 15 minutes to do it. Like, this is the best makeup tutorial you will ever see on YouTube. So if you enjoyed the video, like the video, subscribe to my channel, comment what you want to see me do on here. And I know, like, when I say that, I usually never see anybody comment, but I'm being so dead ass right now. Y'all better comment or else.
Or what? Are you gonna hit me?
Do you want it?
I don't want
Because you're
to.
asking for it. You're dying for it. Get off my back. Got it?
Okay, with that, you have made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you guys like this video, and comment down below what you guys want to see me do next. This is my everyday makeup tutorial. I think it's like tea. I think I'm that girl. Anyways, see you guys in my next video. Okay.